Hello and welcome to the first tutorial in Series 6 of the Byzantine iconography drawing tutorials. In this series we'll be studying figures in a variety of seated, kneeling and reclining poses. To start off, we're going to draw a frontal seated figure that is often used to depict figures seated on a throne. We often see icons of Christ or the Theotokos enthroned, and sometimes saints such as St. Nicholas and Spiridon or St. Demetrius and George. We also see Christ in this pose in the icon of the Ascension, where he is lifted up on the throne of glory.